The Dorbar Shnong Umphyrnai has decided to boycott the 2025 MDC elections. This decision is based on two main reasons. First, to protest against the order issued by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to recognize a new village called Mausau located at the Mu area of Umphyrnai village. The second reason is in protest against the implementation of the council's building bylaws, which require residents to obtain building permits and make payments, placing a financial burden on the inhabitants.
Ngilas ngokhia kabay bagacing yo ya ka order na po ka district council kabay bagacing panshnong jong kita ki kur khungor pokse ban ithu no ya ka snok thamai kum kamosau ten re ni ya ka kam skmat kabay kam te ngathrai ka kam hikan batai khamcham ban ya ka e ka bang ye kren kala don na kaling jong ka district council ka ba kila ai ka notification ban panham no ikan ka snok jongi hapoka district council building bylaws. Dah kami di berkataru, nakalan juga district council kemasuk orang no, hak benyo ya kita baru khoi ke NUC kidon kam syo benyo napok Shnong. Dan rei lada kalong hak ni kurkom te kam ide juga kata demokrasi. Te kala de ka sensyar dan bor.
Prime Minister